How to delete Amazon Prime history. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how I can delete Amazon Prime's history. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. Deleting your Amazon Prime videos history is very simple. But one thing I recommend is that you can do this from the app, but in this case, I'm just choosing my browser because it is much more elaborative from the browser. So I can go to primevideo.com and make sure that I'm logged into my account. Then I can tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side and I can go to the option account and settings and select it. If it asks you to verify, then I'm just going to go ahead and then verify it once very quickly like this, then tap the sign in button. Now, as soon as I sign in on the next page, I'll be able to see a couple of settings. So from here, you simply have to scroll and look for the option that says watch history and simply tap on watch history. Now from watch history, of course, we can see all of our watch history. So we can completely view and manage all of this by tapping on the delete button to delete all of our history. That's all for this video. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.